Hi everybody! Today I will make a very cute decoration with these 12 eccentric teardrops. You will find a link to my tutorial on teardrops in the description and also a card on the screen. You'll remember from the previous video I had some flowers I did not use, so now I will give 2 of those a role in this project. The first one is also made with eccentric teardrops. I will glue them together one on top of the other, being careful not to ruin the base flower in the process. I also made 3 shiny and colored vortex coils, just like you saw in my vortex earrings video some time ago. These really look great, and I tell you, pictures don't do them justice. Vortexes are awesome because you can get many good looking effects by combining colors in different ways, so you should definitely try them. Then I made some small circle coils which I will glue on the vortex coils, so I can make the connection between them and the 3 chains which will be hanging below our main flower. These are the chains I was talking about, and they look nice in this golden color, as they are in the same theme with everything else. I thought of using black ones, but they didn't complement the look of the vortexes, and I decided to go with the golden ones. With everything in place, we will start assembling them together. Try to get an even coat of glue on the small coils and make sure they bond well to the rest of the parts. Just as an idea, if you don't have all the parts you see here, be creative with your way of doing stuff and use whatever you have at hand and can be used to complete the job. The little basket that you see here proved to be very useful as a support to help me maintain the curve of the flower when I was gluing the parts. Of course, you know we can't have a flower without something that will give it some bling in the middle of it, so I will glue this big white and beautiful bead in the center of my flower. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. As you can see, you can confidently get out of your comfort zone and create items which are unique because you can end up with something very beautiful. This project is very easy to do, but this goes to show you that even if you are just starting out, you should try to combine things in different ways, and sometimes this will fail, yes, but most of the times you will have a great result and you will grow as an artist. Let me know if you succeed in making your own version. You might even improvise and use other shapes for a similar result, so good luck! See you next time. Take care!